According to statistic, over 305 million startups created every single year. Surprisingly, every 9 out of 10 businesses failed. There are several reasons behind it, and in this video, we are going to talk about one of these factors. So without wasting time, let's get started. According to Entrepreneurial DNA by Joe Abraham, there are 4 types of entrepreneurial DNA, goes like the builder DNA, the opportunistic DNA, the specialist DNA, and the innovator DNA. Every person has one or two of these DNA types. One of them is primary DNA, and other one is secondary. We are going to talk about it in details in next video. For this video, let's just check out what kind of DNA do you have. For that purpose, you must go to this website. And don't worry, my friend, I will add link in description. You can check out after end of this video. Moreover, you can use this website in PC or mobile, whatever you prefer. Here I am going to use mobile. First, click this Find Out icon, and it will take you to this interface. Now select whatever role as you do have. And before moving further in the video, let me tell you something. You are going to give this test for yourself, so try to be honest as much as you can. Okay, if this one is clear to you, then let's get back to our main topic. As I said you before, you must select your role, whatever it is. I am going to choose co-founder here. Just click continue, and it will lead you to question section. Here you are going to answer these 10 questions. I am just selecting random option to save time. When you finish all 10 questions, you will see this page. Simply just fill up details and it will give you your entrepreneurial DNA. All right, I just fill up my details and now it is showing me this page. Simply click here and it will take you this page. On this page, you read each detail about your DNA. On the top right corner, you can see my primary and secondary DNA. So that is for today, guys. We are going to talk about all 4 DNA in our next video. So make sure to subscribe, and if you have found out this video informative, make sure to like and let me know in comments what kind of DNA do you have.